Hi, thanks for being in a new video. Let me tell you what I liked most and least about the Vivo V40 Lite after testing it, in case you're considering buying it. So, as always, let me tell you, don't buy the Vivo V40 Lite without watching this video. Let's consider its launch price, which in Mexico has been 9,499 pesos. On the screen you see the reference price in dollars, although remember that the prices here are not the same as over there. I remind you that this will be a brief summary, but you can enjoy the full review in case you want to know it in more depth. Let's start with what I liked the most. The design is really very nice. It's slim, lightweight, and has an interesting back cover. It also offers a curved screen front that makes it look more premium. It has an audio redirection feature that allows you to somehow play some content on a Bluetooth speaker while playing other content. The battery has a capacity of 5,500 milliamps and looks good. It is a device that will offer you a good autonomy. It also integrates the Aura light on the back that will allow you to illuminate in a better way, especially for portrait photography. So it is an interesting light. It is nothing more like the flash that other devices have. Overall, the portrait photography options are abundant, including different effects and blur styles, which also makes it more attractive for this type of photography. It also offers good security options like app encryption, hide apps, a collaboration with Avast to scan against any kind of malware. In fact, it also has an option called app isolation, which allows you to run some suspicious apps in a completely separate environment from your cell phone to avoid any attacks. The battery has a capacity of 5,500 milliamperes, and it is well reflected. It is a device that will offer you a good autonomy compared to what we see in the average cell phone. And finally, it has 256 gigabytes of storage and even supports micros up to a terabyte. So you can store pretty much all the files you want and the device is hardly going to fill up. But now let me tell you what I didn't like. The frames and back cover are made of plastic, so it doesn't offer very premium materials. It also only has one speaker in this price range. Definitely 2 speakers would be ideal. In fact, the sound is not that high quality, and it also doesn't have an equalizer or anything like that. The ultra-wide camera is not capable of recording in 4K, not even in Full HD at 60 frames per second. In general, video recording is simple. As backlit, it does not perform well. If you record in 4K, stabilization is not available and some other drawbacks. It also does not have a clear policy of updates, and in the price range, if you are going to find other devices that come to receive more updates guaranteed. The behavior with apps running in the background can be a bit aggressive, so you might miss some notifications. At times it seems that the device gives a lot of priority to maintaining good battery life, but you may sacrifice things that are running in the background. Flat. We are not going to find NFC. This is a chip needed to make mobile payments, for example, just by bringing the cell phone close to the banking terminals, but it's not here. The proximity sensor also did not work properly and has a very limited ecosystem. The Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor falls short in this price range. Definitely that if your priority is power, you will not find here something very remarkable, especially because in the price range there will be other devices. With better processors, therefore, the gaming experience will also be a little short. So, if your priority is gaming, it is clear that it will be better to go for another device. If you already bought it, let me know your opinion in the comments. Tell us about your experience. For now, we have reached the end of this video. If you liked it, you can let us know, and we'll see you next time.